This is a used Robland Z400M panel saw, M standing for manual. This is a 2024 machine. It was actually brand new, manufactured and supplied in 2024. So very young machine that we've got here, and the condition suits as well. It's in really good nick, not even a single chip in the sliding table. In fact, the machine looks barely used, to be honest. So what we've got here is a 3.2 sliding table, manual rise, fall and tilt of your main blade and scribe, manual cross-cut readouts here with the spy glasses. So those two of those on the Z4 type cross-cut fence. This can also be extended all the way out to 3.5 meters. It's currently on the angle because we have a mitre guide on the outrigger table as well. Very easy to use the grub screw system and get the machine back into square using the locating pin underneath. So that comes all the way back round, and then we can just slot the locating pin back in like so, and then we know that we're back having a square fence to the blade. The machine has the overhead guard as well, which has got a soft stop, or you can stop it on any of these serrated teeth here. It's integrated with a 100mm extraction outlet as well, so at the end there you'll put your 100mm flex on, and then down through the chip flap you have a 120mm outlet. So two dust extraction outlets on this machine. 3 working speeds of 3, 4 and 5,000 RPM. Manual machine, so it's got a manual readout for the angle of the main blade, and that's on the hand wheel. You've got the main blade height adjustment, which is this hand wheel here, and then you have your scribe controls, which are these two right here, and that's the height and the alignment to the main blade, which we will set up if you purchase this machine and commissioning from us. Here is the rip fence. This has got a rip capacity of 1350mm and it also has a fine adjustment on there as well. And of course you can flip this 90 degrees for angled cuts. The machine also comes with the optional Z4 type extra table support, which is a £250 plus VAT option included in the price advertised for this machine. You have a Z4 lock here as well, so you can lock the machine in its current position like so. You can also lock the sliding table all the way before the blade, so you can load your panels on and without the sliding table running away from yourself. As you can see, we've got the ring spanner here, which is a tool for changing both the blades, scribe and main blade, and all the other basic accessories that come with the machine. So this machine is available from Markfield Woodworking Machinery. Please get in contact if you'd like to arrange a demo or have any questions. Thank you.